everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are living a very healthy, very positive and very happy life with your family. So my name is Purva, those who are visiting me for the first time, and I make lifestyle related healthy vlogs and videos for you all. In my today's video, in my today's content, I'll share with you all 5 super healthy, super energetic and super nutritious fiber and protein loaded lunch ideas and lunch platters that will be very easy to make with very minimum ingredients. You can make them. So in my today's video, it's basically a 5 days lunch meal plan. I think you are going to get a lot of help from this video. Those who are on your weight loss journey, sometimes you think that what we should eat and with what ingredients we can make some delicious yet very healthy lunch. So I think I'll give you some ideas in this video. So in one video, I have tried to put 5 lunch platter ideas just for you all. So my friends, let's start with the Monday plan, and I hope you are going to enjoy this video. If you really love it, then please at the end of the video give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also my friends, please subscribe to my channel. So now let's start with my video. And here comes my super simple and super healthy Monday lunch idea. So let's start with plan number 1, that will be Monday lunch. My friends, Mondays we all feel very lazy to cook a lot of food. So instead we can make something super healthy, super nutritious and absolutely easy. And this lunch you can make within just 30 minutes. So here I have soaked my masoor dal, my all-time favorite dal. So yes, 10-15 minutes I have soaked this dal, and now here is my vegetable. So this is broccoli, onion, tomatoes, carrots and some cauliflower. So I have cut this in small pieces. I washed it properly. So basically today I'll make sabji dal. I'll not make dal and sabji separately, but yes, whenever we feel hurry, whenever I feel very lazy, I just make something super nutritious in this way. So in the pressure cooker, I'll make sabji dal with some Indian spices, and trust me, it will be super healthy and super tasty too. And for some extra protein source, here I'll make 1 poached egg. So now let's make this sabji dal and let's prepare my lunch idea number 1. And now let's prepare the dal. First of all, here I have added some oil, and in the oil here I'm going to add some panch foron. We Bengalis call it panch foron. This is actually 5 spice mixes. Here you can see. And again, I'm sorry for my very bad voice today. And here is some green chili. So now I'll wait for 1 minute and then I'll add my dal. And now here at this point, I'm going to add my vegetable. And this dal, it will take just few minutes to get cooked. I'm not going to add a lot of masalas into it, just haldi powder and jeera powder, that will be enough, and just a little amount of dhania powder. So after adding the vegetable, now here I'm going to add some haldi or turmeric powder, and then I'll add some salt, and now I'm going to add some salt into it. And I'm giving it a very good stir. And here you can see, after cooking the vegetable for a few minutes, now here I'm going to add my dal. And now here I'm adding just a little amount of roasted cumin powder, and that's it. That will be the masalas for today's dal. Simple haldi powder and roasted cumin powder. And if you want, you can add some dhania powder too, but I'm not. And now here I have added some water, and I'm going to add some dhania patta or coriander leaves or cilantro leaves for extra flavor. And now my friends, I'll cover the lid and I'll wait for just 2 whistles and my dal will be ready. I'll add some ghee and it will be ready to eat. See, in the egg I have added some salt and just a little amount of black pepper powder. And now here I'm going to beat it well. And here I'll make 1 egg. If you want, you can add some chili flakes on top of your egg. So I made this egg in olive oil, so it's very healthy and good for your weight loss journey too. So here you can see my egg omelette is ready, and my dal and rice is also ready now. Egg. So this is how the whole platter looks like. Super healthy, super delicious, nutritious, and my friends, within just 30 minutes you can make this protein, fiber and vitamin enriched lunch platter, and that will be very helpful for your weight loss journey too. And finally, my friends, and this is the lunch time, around 1 to 1:30 you all should have your lunch. So my friends, please let me know how you like my Monday lunch. It's super easy, super simple, super delicious, and trust me, we Bengalis always love to have dal, bhat and dimer omelette. We call it rice, dal and omelette, and it's super healthy. And now here comes my Tuesday lunch preparation. For Tuesday lunch, I'll be making everybody's favorite Rajma Chawal. Yes, my friends, Rajma Chawal, but my chawal will be little different. I'll make it in a little different way. So let's see how I can make it. First of all, in the oil, I have added some panch foron. The panch foron is a very popular Bengali spice. And then I have added one red chili. And now I have added all the sabjis. I have cut some onion, then some carrots and green pieces there. So I have added all the sabji and then pinch of salt and turmeric powder. The rice, already I have cooked the rice, so now I have added it. So this rice will be little flavored, and with all the sabjis it will be more fiber enriched. So here you can see I have added just a little amount of more salt, some black pepper powder, and here I have added some coriander leaves or dhania patta or cilantro leaves, and then some lemon juice on top. And trust me, it will taste good. With some leftover rice also you can make this delicious chawal, very healthy rice, and with your rajma, with your chicken curry, you can enjoy it. And now here I'm going to serve my delicious lunch. My friends, rajma is high in protein, high in fiber, and also rajma has low glycemic index. So whenever you eat rajma, you will feel full for longer period of time. You will not feel hungry, and this way it will boost your metabolism, and it's absolutely good source of vegetarian protein. And those friends who are vegetarian, I know you are going to enjoy this Rajma Chawal. And as I already shared with you all, this rice I made in a little different way. So yeah, now I'm going to add some onion on top of the Rajma and rice, and it will give a good crunch into the dish, and also it will taste really good. So this is how my platter looks like. So please let me know in the comment section if you have liked my super colorful, very tempting Rajma Chawal platter or not. It's looking very delicious, my friends, and very tempting, and it's very good for your health. So please try to keep Rajma Chawal once or twice in a week in your lunch menu. And now let's move into my idea number 3. That will be my third lunch platter, and it will be my Wednesday lunch menu. For Wednesday lunch, I have chosen to have something green leaf vegetable, and that is kale leaf. My friends, kale is a absolute superfood, and this is very good for your health. It's a good source of powerful antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin C. If you don't have kale in your local market, you can use any green vegetable, any green leafy vegetable. You can have spinach, you can have mustard leaf, so anything green leafy vegetable you can use. So this is a very simple recipe. In the oil, I have used coconut oil here. And then on that oil I have added some kalonji seeds, some garlic cloves and some green chili, and now I have added kale leaves here. So basically I will saute it for a few minutes with very minimum spice, just like pinch of turmeric powder and some salt, and of course some pepper. And within just 5 to 10 minutes in low flame, your kale will be ready. And if you want, you can have it in your salad too. Please try to add kale or spinach or any green leaf vegetable in your diet for a good source of vitamin A, C, and of course antioxidants. So yes, here I have opened the lid and my kale leaf is absolutely cooked and it's ready to eat. So today with some non-veg curry, I'll be having this kale leaf. So it will give a good balance in my lunch platter. So rice, this kale leaf and some prawn curry, that will be my today's lunch. Here you can see rice quantity already I have shared many time in my videos. It's a small steel bowl. So that is the measurement of my rice. So, and I always love to decorate my food in this way. So yes, this way your food will look good and definitely you are going to enjoy your meal more. And on the side I have added some kale leaves, sauteed kale. You can saute these kale leaves in ghee too. Ghee also is a very good source of fat. And of course some salad in the middle. And this is how it looks like. It's looking super delicious, very very colorful, and my friends, within just 30 minutes you can make them. And this prawn curry recipe I have shared a few months back in my channel, but if you want I can definitely repeat the recipe. I can definitely re-upload the recipe of this prawn curry. I have made this prawn curry with some yogurt sauce and it's very very delicious, and in this way it will give a good balance into your dish, as I told you before. So yes, prawn curry, kale leaves and some salad. And here comes my lunch idea number 4, and that will be my Thursday lunch menu. And isn't my Thursday lunch is looking super tempting and very very delicious? Yes my friends, this is a Bengali style lunch platter. Here is dal and here is chawal or rice and some mixed vegetable, and also there is salmon fish curry and some fresh salad. I already have shared the whole lunch platter recipe in my channel. So in my previous video I have shared the recipe, so I'm not going to repeat the recipe, but yes, I'm going to give you some idea the way I usually make my lunch platter whenever it's a non-vegetarian day. So Thursday usually I always eat non-vegetarian food. So here we Bengalis always love to have fish, and my friends, fish is a very good source of lean protein. Fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acid, which can lower your cholesterol, which can lower your heart disease, and of course it's good for your skin and hair. So yes, this is salmon fish, and salmon fish is known for its high omega-3 fatty acid content. So yes, salmon fish curry, some sauteed vegetables, some dal, rice and some salad, and of course one piece of lemon. So this is my Thursday lunch menu. And here comes my last meal of the week, and that is Friday lunch menu. And my friends, Friday lunch also looking super delicious, and within just 30 minutes you can make them. So this is one bowl of rajma, and in this rajma I have added some chicken keema too, so it's even more protein enriched. Someday I will definitely share the recipe in details, and with that I'm going to enjoy 2 whole wheat chapati and some suji. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my today's content. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. I'll be back very soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. You please, my friends, take care of your health, because I always tell you health is wealth, and always live a very healthy and very positive life. And take care of your health, drink plenty of water, do your regular exercise, and of course you are going to achieve your weight loss goal very soon. So tata, bye bye, love you.